I think you are seeing me right on your screen. Backside there is a green screen, there is me, and then I'm using a software to do that. Okay guys, today I want to take you through how to remove your background. Assume that you are in a room that has got a lot of people. That is one. Two, that has got a lot of stuff like this one I'm living in. There are some ways how you can remove your background and then you record your video in all time. Today I wanted to show you how you can actually do it without getting any issues. Now look here. The way you see me here right on your screen, I'm in a room that have got a lot of people and it has got a lot of stuff backside. Let me put the camera so that you can see. This is my green screen backside. It is actually a screen that is green the way you see it. So I first set it onto my back and then I go to my software. My software here, I think you can see right here. Look here, this is OBS that I wanted to show you how it actually works. Now, I'm going to use this OBS to teach you or to show you how you can remove your background and it look the way you are seeing it right on your screen. Now, how are you going to do it? Assume that you have set your webcam. Let me first show you my webcam actually that I'm using right here. This is my webcam that I'm using. This webcam, it is called Droid webcam. Droid webcam, it is going actually to help you when you are recording any video. You first set it like as I told you before. Then after setting your webcam, you make sure that it is connected from your phone and to your camera. Actually from your phone and your laptop. Then the moment you connect it from laptop to phone, the feed will be coming from the laptop, meaning from the phone to the laptop. Then the moment you are done with that one, you make sure that the connection is live. Now, after that one, you will receive something that is similar to this one. After opening your OBS, like I showed you before here, that this is my OBS, the software that I'm trying to use. Then, after that, you will get something that is similar to this one. I think you are seeing me right on your screen. Backside there is a green screen, there is me, and then I'm using a software to do that. Now look here. I'm going to take you to this level actually. Look at me the way I look, and the background is not there already, meaning that I have already removed it. Now, if I want, I think you can see, I can even disappear from the room. I can even appear in the room. Then here I can even make the background disappear. Then I can still make it appear. Now from this moment, I think you have learned something. Let's continue and then I show you how it is actually done. Now, look at this camera that I'm going to show you, like this one. The camera, like this one. Now, in this camera, I'm going to apply a filter. When I talk about filters, these are the actually plugins that we have to use inside OBS so that the work is done perfectly. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply any filter so that the background will disappear when you are seeing. Like I showed you in the other video, I actually got a lot of questions. Some people did not understand how I did it. Now that's why I try to redo it again so that you can also learn it and then you do it if you're willing. Now we look here. This is now me in the camera, and then backside of me there is a green screen. Now I'm going to apply a filter here. I think you can see. Let me touch the word filter. I think you can see the word filter here. You are seeing? This is the word filter. Here. This is the filter that I'm going to apply. Now, the moment I place the filter, then here there is a plus sign. I think you can see right there. Let me show you a plus sign so that you can, this one here, right here. I'm going to use that plus sign to add a filter so that the background will disappear. Now, when I place this plus button, it is going to take me into another type of filters. There are a lot of filters actually right here. I think you can look at them right there from the screen. Look here, we are looking for this filter. Let me show it to you. It is called chroma key. We are actually looking for this filter called chroma key. Now, when we add this filter called chroma key, it is actually going to work like magic. Then you say, okay, I think you can see from right there on your screen, already it has disappeared. I think you can see. Now the background has already disappeared. Now, the moment the background disappears, then on your back side, you can add anything. Let me assume that you have any background that you have already downloaded somewhere. Then you will have to bring it and add it right there. Let me add a background. I think you can see where I am right now. I'm going to add an image background. I think you have seen that one. Let me add an image background from this. I think you can see right here in the corner, there is a plus. There is a plus here in the corner, here. There is something like a plus here. So this plus, I'm going to place it so that it takes me to an image here. Then I'm going to get any image from my computer. Assume that I have this image right here. I think you can see what I'm trying to do. Then I'm going to bring my camera and then I put it right there the way you are seeing me. Now, the moment you look at me right now, you no longer see the background that was already there before. Now maybe I think I should also take you there so that you see the background which was already there and what has actually come right now. Look here. I'm going to re-add a filter. I think you can see right there on your screen. The moment I place this filter, I think you can see right there on your screen. It is going to disappear and then appear. Disappear and then appear. Then in this case, remember, on my back side, I already have an image background. I can still remove it right there. I think you can see me there. And then I add it. I can remove it and then I add it. Then here, I can still remove it. I think you can see. And then I put it again. I believe now, apparently, in this moment, you have learned something that is going to help you to record any kind of video that you wish to record. Let me believe that whatever I have tried to teach you here, I think you have got something that is actually, that has actually helped you. If this has helped you, try to comment right down there. Put any comment. If you don't comment, you just at least like this video so that we can bring more content of similar kind. If you have any question concerning with OBS or any other kind of question that is concerned with content creation and stuff, comment right down below so that I will have to come and then I show you how it is done. I thank you for watching this video until this moment, and I wish to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I salute and I sign out. Thank you very much.